This tutorial will explain how to delete or update a transaction posting to accounting in Brokermint. To delete or update a transaction posting to accounting, navigate to Transactions under Overview and select a transaction by clicking it. Then navigate to Commissions under Assets and click Transaction Ledger that appears under Commissions. On the Transaction Ledger page, locate and click a GL transaction, a bill, payment, or invoice from your posting that you'd like to update or delete. In the Edit dialog box that appears, make your changes and hit Update to update the transaction. Or just click the Delete Payment or Delete Bill or Delete Invoice icon, depending on what GL transaction you're deleting, payment, bill, or invoice. Finally, confirm the operation by clicking Yes, Delete, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.